SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable autocorrect on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like your iPhone to automatically correct the content that you type into apps like Messages or Mail, then you can adjust a setting. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again and tap Keyboard to open that menu. Now you just need to find this auto correction option that's listed here, and you can tap the button to the right of it to turn it on. When it looks like this, that means that your iPhone is going to automatically correct the things that you type into text messages or email or any of the other apps that use the default iPhone keyboard.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.